So, g'day people, how you going? Like this beautiful painting? What do you think of it? Doesn't matter who done it, I done it. But anyway, that's for my mother. So today, we got the words starting with C, D, F and G. So, F and G sounds actually quite good. And in Australia, this is how you shorten these words. So first we've got a cab driver. First thing, cab driver, we don't call them that really in Australia, maybe in Sydney and in the centre of Melbourne, but pretty much they're called taxis. So we call them a taxi driver. Some people do call them cab drivers because on the taxi it has taxi cab. So I don't know, we couldn't decide whether it will be English taxi or an American cab. So we decided to go, let's just call it a taxi cab. That will confuse the fuck out of them. Anyway, cab driver, we just call him a cabbie. That's weird. And the taxi driver is just a taxi driver. Okay, chocolate. How do we short chocolate? Call it a chocky. Chocky bar. A chocolate bar is a chocky bar. I like a chocolate drink. I like a chocky drink. I would like chocolate in my coffee because coffee without chocolate tastes terrible. I would like a chocky coffee. Okay, cigarette. We just call them ciggy. So have you ever seen on YouTube, Ciggy Butt Brain? Ciggy Butt Brain, got a ciggy in his brain. So cigarettes we call ciggies. Give me a ciggy, mate. You fuck yeah. Got a spare light? Give me a fucking ciggy. If you don't give me a ciggy, I'll fucking shove the packet up your ass. Okay, communist. Is that right? Yeah, communist. Those dirty little commies. Good commie is a dead one. Yeah, mate, that's right. And I'm pretty sure they use it in America as well. That's probably where he adopted it from. Communist is a bloody dirty commie. Okay, drug addict. Same like they use in America and probably UK is a druggie. Druggie, mate. So if you come over there and you go, have you got any? G'day, mate. Have you got any druggies here? We will understand what you're saying. So that's it. Got freebie. So this is one where it actually becomes a longer word. So you got FREE and we put BIE on the end. So freebie. So those ciggies are freebies, mate. Don't have to pay me back. Bloody oath. Last one is a goalkeeper. So this is all around the world. It's called a goalie. So in the United Kingdom and United States, we actually use it as well. So there's no problem there. And I'll put the last one. Little treats. So little treats, like lollies or desserts or anything that someone actually likes to eat. They like to give themselves when they've been good. I've been good. I'm going to eat a whole pavlova. And what we call them is goodies. Give me a little goodies. Little treat, little goodies. Beautiful. So, this is the video for today. If you don't like it, I don't care. But if you do, please give it a thumbs up. And also subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment down below on what videos you would actually like. Because my brain's not working. I'm too busy bloody painting and making coin videos. If you don't know my coin channel, Gumad coins and banknotes. Bloody oath, mate. Hooroo.